Hello everyone, my name is Carolin and today we are going to learn about the static electricity. Before I get started, I want to know if you can define electricity in a simple sentence. What is electricity? You can pause the video and answer the question. If you define electricity as a form of energy, you are right. So now let's take a look around our house. What things can we see that use electricity? We can find the radio, the fridge, the TV, our computer, our tablet, etc. So, what exactly is electricity? Do you know the word electron? Electron is hidden in the word electricity. Have you seen Jimmy Neutron? What is on his t-shirt? If you haven't seen Jimmy Neutron, I will show you a picture. He is Jimmy Neutron. What can you see on his t-shirt? You can see a picture of electrons circling a nucleus. This is an atom. Atoms are the basic building block of all matter, and electrons are the negative charge of atom. Electricity is flowing and moving electrons. There are two types of electricity. The current electricity, that is the electricity that moves from one place to another, and the static electricity, that is where we are going to focus on, is when the electricity gathers into one place. We are going to do some experiments about the static electricity, and you will need the following materials. You will need a plastic bottle, straw, a comb. You will need pieces of napkin, and you will need salt and pepper. Okay, so we are going to start with the comb and a very soft material. I do not remember the name of it right now, but it's really soft. I'm going to rub both materials together and see if I can get the papers with the comb without touching. So let's try. I'm going to rub the comb first. Let's see if I can get the napkin. Look, you see? That's what I want you to see. And you know why? The static electricity is usually created when materials are pulled apart or rubber like wool on a plastic, like in this case. Now let's try with the comb and the salt with pepper. Okay, I'm going to rub the same materials, the very soft one and the comb. I'm going to rub it and let's see if I can get the salt and pepper in my comb. Let's see if the energy occurs in this one, okay? So let's try. You will see. You see? So this process caused positive charge to collect on one material and a negative charge to collect on the other surface. Okay, so let's try the last one with the strap and the plastic bottle. I'm going to put a charge here, as I did with the comb. I'm going to rub the material and I'm going to put it in the bottle. Let's see if it's going to work. So let's try. What I want you to see is that the strap is not working now, but it works before. So I want you to try this at home. When the negative and positive charge, you put it together, they want to attract each other, but they can't because they are different. So I hope that you really enjoy this video. I will put a worksheet that you can try it at home. You can also use other material as a balloon and rub it in with your body and put it in your hair, so your hair is going to come up as you apart the balloon from it. Thank you, and I hope that you really enjoy this video. Bye.